I don't want them to take a class with all their four-way and stuff. Hi, David. How are you?
Good.
Was the homework doable or was it hard?
It was pretty hard.
Oh, I see. How about you, Kabir and Sarvata?
The homework was actually good, but I just needed a bit more time to do like just like one or two more pages. I just had that much remaining, that much left. But that's why it wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy exactly.
I see. We'll
Do we have
go.
I have a question though. You said we have
Yeah.
a test. So is the test after class?
1 minute. You don't have to. A part of the class. I want you to sit and write the test so that you finish that and go. You got it?
So the test is gonna be inside the class?
A part of the class, man, not the entire class. I really want to go ahead with a little bit today.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Any questions? David and Deepak. Deepak is not going to come today, but David, you can attend what you know so that I clearly understand what you don't know. You got it?
I had trouble with page 49 to be probably like 10 minutes to get through all of them.
Absolutely. I will go through. You
I
don't
got
need.
some wrong, so I got 63 and
Amma,
and
we don't need to move on, David. We'll go over this only today. Wait.
okay.
Give me 1 second. I want to see where are we on the concept of ratios first, I think. Usually I give the class for the test, but this session has been so short, so I'm not able to do it. But then I will give because if only I make you start, you guys will finish and get up and go. You got it? Does it make sense?
Could you explain that again?
If only we get started with the test, right? You will finish it today.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah. We have to finish it today. Yeah.
So at the
Yes.
end of the class, I plan to give it to you. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, are we gonna do the test while the class or after the class?
After the end of the class, last 20-25 minutes, I'll give you.
Oh, okay. I thought we were
But
gonna do like the whole.
no, I want to clarify. I want to finish, meaning those 13 pages were hard, right? What is that? It was hard. Let's go over those questions. Here. Okay. Now, yeah, we'll go ahead. Wait. Let me share my screen.
Are you okay?
I am not feeling well today, but that's okay. Thank you for asking.
Same. My stomach been hurting.
Yeah, I don't know. Here it's too cold and I don't like it at all.
It's pretty warm outside.
At your place? Oh, wow. Here it's freezing cold. Let me get that for you. Hey, all of you in this class should definitely attempt AMC 8 exam at school. Please make a note of it.
I
Check with you.
I don't think me and Viraj's school does that because our school I don't think does those contests. So we have to we have to ask the principal to like sign off on it to let us do it because our school doesn't do those things.
You know what? You have to bug your middle school to get that done.
What do you mean? Bug?
You have to bug and get it done. Your middle school
Me and
principal.
Kabir in
Yeah,
elementary.
Yeah.
I get it, ma. But this year you can
Um,
have an exposure to the exam. You
Oh,
see? 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Now, let's go over one by one. David, whatever you didn't understand, we'll make sure we understand before we move on. Can you tell me which type of questions?
I had trouble on page 49.
Oh, okay. Okay. Before we move on, let me see this one. My mic is not working. Okay. Hey, what? Shaura, that's not your name, right? I have the name is Shaurab. Wait. Oh, Yana. Okay. Okay, Yana. Noted, noted. Noted. Yana, I didn't see your video. I got it. I'll change your name, Amai, because I tend to call you Shaurab. Wait, I can change it. No problem.
Yana, you know you're on mute, right?
She can't talk, she says. She nicely explained. She's written it on the board. It's okay, ma. It's okay. Class can move on. And anything you intervene in the class, I can clarify for you. Wait, there are issues for David. I really want to clarify that. Okay. Let's say I have 2 cups of flour to make my birthday cake. And I have 5 cups of sugar to make my birthday cake. I plan to invite 10 friends. But suddenly 30 friends turned up. I decide to change the ratio. So how will I change it? What do you think? Think out loud, David. Yes, you can log in, ma. Log in back. Come on.
Can I send the answer in chat, like how many cups we would need?
Yeah. Those of you who know, send it. David, you can explain to us. What do you think about this? 10 friends, I'm planning 2 cups of flour, 5 cups of sugar. 30 friends, what will I do? What will I do for 30 friends? You can explain whatever you know, David. I'm absolutely fine.
Wait, do you add 15 and 5? Oh, you're on 30? Wait, what's 30?
Go ahead. David, explain. Come on. What will you do?
Do you multiply 30 by 5 or do you add 30 by 5?
Okay. Ratio is not an additive relationship. Why? It's not additive. It's a multiplicative relationship. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, if I make 2 cups of flour for 10 friends, right? My friend numbers are tripling. You see?
Yeah.
So what do I do? With each of them, I triple. You get it?
Yeah.
So this is what is called as ratio. Here, see, you can build ratios like this. Flour by sugar, meaning the total amount of flour to the total amount of sugar. When I had 10 friends, to the total amount of flour to the total amount of sugar when you had 30 friends. You can do that. Or you can do flour when I had 10 friends by flour when I had 30 friends. But the sugar when only criteria is if you have 10 on top, you should have 10 on top for sugar. You got it?
Yeah.
See, basically, what are we doing here? See, 2 triangles, 3 circles. I'm asking, what is the ratio? Ratio is nothing but fractions. Ratio of triangle to circle. How will I write it? 2:3. Or I can write it out as 2/3. Or I can write it out as 2:3. This means what? For every 2 triangles, I will have 3 circles. Meaning, if I make the number of triangles as 4, I increased by 2, meaning I multiplied by 2. Here as well, I'll make it another 3 because for every 2 triangles, I will have to add every 3 circles. You got it?
Yeah.
So let's see this one. All of you got it correct, whoever answered. Now, when I write out ratios like this, fractions, basically they are equivalent fractions. You see, what will come here, David or Viraj? What will come there? Viraj, what will come there?
I was just trying to so 4 times 4. So that 12 would come there.
Yeah, so why 12 came there? See,
Because 4 times 16. No, 4 divided by 16 is 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12.
for every 4 of one quantity, I substituted with 3 of quantity 2. Do you see it?
Yes.
Now, I have 16 of quantity 1. So, how many 4s I have? 4, 4, 4, 4. Do you see? I increased them by 4 times. So, initially it was just 3. This is quantity 2 with a dash. I have to multiply it by 4 again. You see it?
Wait,
Yeah.
would it work if we multiply the denominator by numerator, like 4 times 3? So instead of seeing how many times 4 goes into 16, would it work if we did 4, like numerator times denominator?
You tell me, meaning we are saying for every 4 of this quantity, we bring 3 of this. Now, can 3 be a multiplier? Meaning, however it goes here, you have to follow here. You can't do this, right?
Yeah.
4 didn't become 3.
But I'm saying 4 times 3. Times. So 4 times 3 is 12.
Yeah, if you 4 times 3, did you get a 16?
Yeah.
It
Sorry,
will work provided.
Not 16. Yeah. 4 by 4.
What is that?
4 by 4 equals 16.
What should come here?
16.
Yeah, why? Both are equal to 1. The left side is equal to the right side. When you have ratios, this is one ratio, this is another ratio. When both are equal, they form a proportion.
Oh, okay.
Proportion means if this doubles, this doubles. If this halves, this halves. It's a multiplicative relationship. Now, 2 by 3 equal to x by 5. What is this? Such a complicated one. Viraj, you want to explain, or Devansh has been waiting to explain? Go ahead. Go ahead, Devansh.
Oh, me? Wait, what's this question asking about?
Soup, Yana. Yama, go ahead.
So is it asking for what number x is?
Yama. So,
So
first you understand the two quantities are given. How did 3 become 5?
it got added with a 2. So
Wait. That is not additive relationship. This is not additive relationship. So what do? You multiply by this number, divide by this number. So what happens when you multiply 3 times 5 by 3? It gives you 5. So what is the multiplication factor?
it's times 5 by 3.
Exactly. Yana, you're able to hear now?
Wasn't
This
working.
Which
There's some weird error on it.
Okay. Yana, you're able to speak?
Yes.
Okay, how about this?
Can you go back? I have a question on that one. So if we use cross multiplication, could we do 2 times 5 equals 10? Then how many times does 3 go into 10? Then the answer would be 10 by 3.
Yes, you can do. You know why that works? Let's consider a pattern. Patterns work in mathematics, right? Viraj, I'll come back to you. Half is equal to 50 by 100, right? See the pattern here. When I multiply the numerator of 1 with the denominator of 1, it's the same as if I do the other. You see, we are having a pattern here. So the same pattern we can apply to any proportion. The thing about this is you learn this in 7th grade. Okay. The thing about this is you learn in 6th grade. That's the difference between the two.
Okay.
You see what I mean? No teacher will allow you to do it. This one in 6th grade. So this one they teach you in 6th grade and they will give you easy problems. 1 by 3 equal to 5 by what? David, you tell me.
What?
What is 1 by 3 equal to 5 by what?
15.
Good job. See, now you got it. Now let me see this one. 4 by 7 equal to 5 by what? Yana, you want to say?
I still don't get how you did 4 by 7 and then 5 by
Good, good. I'm glad. It's okay. You're bringing it up, right? That's what is important. Sarvata, you want to explain?
I don't get it.
Oh, no. Yeah, go ahead.
Can I start? So okay. I don't know why, but could I use cross multiplication? It's just stuck in my mind right now.
Sure, for CB exam, nobody minds.
7. Okay, so look, 7 times 5, how much? 35, right?
Yep,
So that means x that means yes. So 35, then would we do 35 by 4?
correct. So that will be equal to 4 unknowns.
Yeah.
If 35 is equal to 4, let's say boxes, what is one box?
Yeah.
That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Well, let's see this one. 14 by 8 equal to.
Can you go back? I don't really get it.
Hey, Viraj, sorry, Viraj, you had your hand raised. Go ahead.
I don't just I. Can you explain it again? I don't really get
Yes,
it.
ma'am. See, 4 by 7. I was using 4 cups. I made it to 5 cups. How can I come there?
+1. Or,
It's not additive relationship at all. It's not additive. What is the multiplier you'll use? Think about like that. See, for every, okay, let's find out like this. For every 4 circles, you have 7 triangles. Let's consider like that.
yeah.
Now you'll understand why you cannot use addition. Now, you make 8, okay? 8 circles. What does this mean? For every 4, you need to add 7.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Right? So what can I say? For 1 cup, how many I should add triangle? For 1 cup. For 1 cup, can I add 7 by 4 triangles?
No. Or like
For 1 cup, if I make it 1 cup, how many this of this quantity will be there?
7
See, you
divided
did this by 4.
oh
Go ahead. You have
like
4, but you made it as 1. What did you do?
divide by 4.
Yeah, you divided by 4. So what happened here? This as
Divide
well.
by
You
4.
have 7 by 4 triangles. 7 divided by 4 triangle means how many triangles? 2 by 4 triangles. You got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what I will have here. Now 1 became 5. So you multiplied by 5, you multiply this by 5. Always, if it is too difficult to go from one number to the other, go to 1. You see, going to 1 really answers your question. How do you go to 1? Divide by the same number. You get it? Let me see this one. 5 by 8 equal to 12 by x. 12 is not a multiple of 5, right? What do I do? Divide by 5. I'm finding equivalent fractions. Divide by 5. So for every 1, I'll be adding 8 by 5 of quantity 2. Now that became 12. So you will multiply 8 by 5 times 12. You got it?
I don't get. How did you get 8 by 5?
What will happen when you divide 8 by 5?
When you divide 8 by 5, you get
It is a fraction 8 by 5, right?
oh, yeah.
So I just maintain it as it is.
Is it like that for everything? So like let's just say like uh three 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 and or 3 2, would that be like the fraction would be 3 and 2 also?
Correct. Correct.
Oh, it's always gonna be like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay, now I get it.
Let's see. I'm going to give you problems now. 5 by 6 equal to 21 by what? Answer as an improper fraction. Please send in chat. I'll show you. See with a diagram before you go ahead, right? Let me show you a diagram. Okay. There is a rectangle. Okay. The rectangle is 4. Let's see. The rectangle is, it has 12 squares. Okay. I have 2 red. I have 2 red for every 3 blue. I have 2 red for every 3 blue. When I bring in 2 more reds, right, I will have to add 3 more blues. So what happened is, I increase the size of this. Okay. For every 2 red, I add 3 blue. Now I increase the size of this. I increase the size of this. Let's say I have another as well here. I increase the size of this to 30. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many reds, how many blues should be here? For if you have a 5-part, right? 5-part, if you have 5 parts of rectangles, right? 5 boxes means I will have 2 of them red and 3 of them blue. That is what is ratios, meaning you're increasing now. I'm increasing it to 30 squares. I've already given you 30 squares. Kabir and Devanshi got it. You have 2 problems. One is the geometry problem. One is the proportion problem. Please try, guys. Let me know.
So we have 30 blue squares. So how many red squares do we have?
No, 30 total squares.
Oh, 30 total squares. Okay.
See, you can also make a total on the left side. How many total squares are there?
What's number one asking you? I mean, what's number one like supposed to be like asking?
What is it supposed to be asking? I just want to know what ratio can you create here? I'll accept multiple answers. It's okay.
Okay, but my question is, I have a question. So do you want to figure out how much, like how many red squares there are, how many blue squares there are?
Correct. Both.
Okay, both. Okay.
David, which one? For which one you answered, David?
The first one.
The geometry one?
What?
The geometry, the squares one?
No, the other one.
Ah,
Is mine
My
right?
answer's correct.
Sarvata Kabir, that's correct. But David, can you explain how did you do that?
So first, I multiply 6 times 21, and
Wait,
then
wait,
I
wait,
got
okay. 6 times 21. Uh-huh.
and then I got 126.
Okay. Will be equal to what?
And 126 divided by 6.
Wait, wait, wait. Why divide by 6? This side, if you multiply, it's 5 unknowns, right?
Wait, am I supposed to divide 5 divided by 126?
Yeah, because you have 5x on the other butterfly.
All right. I messed up. Okay.
You're getting it, huh? So
Wait.
for every 2 means, if you add 3 more, right? If you make it 6, right?
And then I got 25 remainder 1. Wait, let me just change it real quick.
Wait, could I explain the geometry one?
Sure. Once, let me finish, ma. 126 by 5, David. And after that, if you convert it to a mixed number,
25. Yeah, that's what I was gonna put.
oh, good. Very nice. Okay. Kabir, go ahead.
So what you do is, look, 2 reds and 3 blues. So add those 2 plus 3, 5. So then if total 30 squares are there, then how many 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So that's how much each unit is. 6 is each unit. So then after that, you just have to do 6 times 2 and 6 times 3. And then, well, just write that down then.
Nice. So, see, for every 2 reds, you're doing 3 blues. So let's keep on adding.
I
2
got
red,
my answer
3
differently.
blues. I saw, ma. 2 red, 3 blues. 2 red, 3 blues. Till we arrive at 30, you can keep on adding. 2 reds, 3 blues. How many are we at? 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can add few more. 2 red, 3 blues. 2 red, 3 blues. See how many are there? 12 red, 18 blues. Any questions?
So I got it correct.
Yes.
Hooray.
Yeah, let's see, ma. I'm not going to move on at all. Let's see. How about this? 8 by n equal to 11 by 6.
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
For the one before, I did a much longer strategy because I drew a box and divided it by 30 and then just added 2 reds. Then
So what was your answer? But it's correct. Your answer is correct. Got it? Okay. Why don't you try this one?
Is my answer correct?
Sarvata Kabir, you got it. Yana,
Did I get it correct?
is that the answer for this one? Is that the answer for this one, ma?
I think I realized what I just did wrong in that.
Okay, do and send it to me. That's correct, Devansh Kabir, correct. I don't know what's going on. David, you can explain, or Yana, you can explain. I'm here to listen. Yana, you cannot have reminders and all. Either it should be a mixed number or an improper fraction. So what are you doing? You can multiply by this number and divide by this number. You divide by itself and multiply by 11. So the same thing okay, there is a mistake here. What is the mistake? From here you need to go here. This is what we don't know. So whatever we don't know, which side we don't know, left side we don't know. So 11 became 8. So what do? You multiply by the other number, divide by itself. Here as well, times 8 by 11. So 6 times 8 by 11, which is 48 by 11. Yes, Viraj, go ahead.
Can I show what I did? I don't know what I did wrong. So like so first I just drew the
David is not 4. Is it not 4 by 11?
So first I basically turned I turned this into I turned this into 1 and I turned this into 1 5 by what?
Viraj.
By 6.
Viraj, can I
And
stop
then
you? You have to,
I got
Viraj.
stuck after that.
No, Viraj, you have to go from whatever is given on both sides. This is what is given. From there you go ahead. You have to start from the numerator. Denominator, you don't know one quantity. So start with the numerator.
So what do you mean, like?
You have to understand how 11 became 8. Same thing you need to apply for the unknown. You are
So
looking at patterns. Looking at 11, how did it become 8? You multiplied by 8 by 11, correct?
huh? I multiply what?
By 8 by 11, right, Amma?
You multiply 8 by 11?
Yes, Viraj, 11, you have to make an 8 out of it. What do? You multiply by itself, making it a 1, and then multiply by 8.
Oh, so you make the 11 a 1 and multiply by 8?
Yeah, you can bring 11 to a 1, right? This becomes 6 by 11. Now you multiply by 8. Multiply by 8.
So 6 by 11 times 8?
Yes.
Okay, but like how did you get the 6 and 11? Like did you do your reciprocal?
Yes, when you divide by the same number, it becomes 1.
Yeah, I know.
When you divide a number by the same number, the entire thing becomes 1. Then you can multiply by whatever number you have to go to.
Oh, okay.
I
You
have a
got it?
question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is the exact definition of a reciprocal? I feel like I know it, but I just forgot like what the word is.
The reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. The
Oh,
reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6 by 1 or 6.
oh, okay. So switching the number around.
Yes, for fraction multiplication we did, right? Okay, I really want you to try this one. My sentence has 5 vowels for every 21 consonants. Okay, suppose I have 40 vowels in my sentence. How many consonants I have?
You send in chat.
Yeah. You just need to be very careful when you do it. What you know, first take that and understand what is a multiplier. Correct, Devansh?
Can I explain after everybody?
David, is it becoming clearer?
Yes.
Let's try, Amma. Viraj Sarvata, correct. Don't worry about mixed numbers or improper fractions. Anything you can use, but at the end, you need to have proper numbers in numerator and denominator.
Is my answer correct?
How did you get that, Ma? You made 40 bubbles. You what did you do? You made 8 more. You added 5 more vowels, 5 more vowels, 5 more vowels, 5 more vowels. Like that, how many sets you added? 8 sets you added. Right, Yana? Did you understand? Okay, give me the correct answer. Sarvata correct. Correct, Yana. Did you understand now? Kabir, what is that answer, Kabir?
Can I explain what I did?
Yeah, but you made 5 vowels to 40 vowels.
5 to 40?
Yeah, because 5 vowels became 40
Yeah, I know.
vowels.
Oh no, sorry, I didn't simplify my answer completely.
Ah, okay, that's it. Good,
Yeah.
good, good. Correct.
Oh yeah, because like simplification.
David, did you get the answer or do you want to do on the board?
Didn't get it.
You didn't get it. That's okay.
Wait,
Can I do it on the board?
my answer was
Yeah,
correct,
go.
right?
Go ahead. Yes. Yana, go ahead.
I just didn't get how you're supposed to line it up.
That's okay, ma. David, doesn't matter.
So what I
Vowel.
did,
Go ahead.
so what I did was like, since we have like 40 vowels, and then we have 5, so I did 40 divided by 5, and then I got 8, so then I did 21 times 8. And then like 1 times 8 is 8, and then 8 times 2 is 16, so I got 168 for my answer.
David, did you get it? 5 vowels. I added totally 8 sets of vowels. Do you see? Because vowels became 40. 8 sets of 5 vowels I added. So I need to have 8 sets of consonants, right?
Yeah.
So 8 times 21. Is it making sense?
Kind of.
Kind of. I see. Amma, see, I have 3 rectangles. Now, 3 circles for every 4 triangles. I am making 30 circles. How many triangles I should have, David?
40.
How did you get it?
What?
Every time you see that, every time you do the same thing,
40.
you get, yeah, correct. So now, okay, weight of my puppy to cat. My puppy to cat, okay, is 2:3. Okay. Okay. This one is a little difficult. Okay.
Hear you.
My puppy became 22 pounds. What is the weight of my cat?
33.
Yeah, you got it. See? Can I go ahead and give you the test now? I don't want you to proceed. I want you to proceed only till 51. in the book. After 51, I am going to do again. Is that okay?
No, wait, 51 in the book, as in our test is the book?
No. I have prepared a very detailed test for this class. Can I give you the test?
So then what do you mean 51 a book?
51. I am expecting you to understand till page number 51 of the book. I'm coming down.
So cool. I'm gonna turn up the AC.
Yeah, go ahead.
51 of the book is the 51 of the test, or
Test I'll give you separately, Kabir. What
okay.
I'm saying is I'm expecting you to understand till page number 51 of the book by this week.
Oh, okay. So as in homework.
You got it?
Wait, so we have to finish 1 to 51 in homework?
1 to 51 now. You already did some pages, right? I'm just expecting you to do till 51.
Oh, okay.
Till what page number you have done?
So we were supposed to finish for the homework like pages like 37 to like 50.
Oh, 37 you started. Wait, I don't want you to rush. Wait.
No. We 37 to 50 was this week's like last week's homework. So
I know, Kabir.
But the ratios topic starts on page 37.
Yeah, it starts from page 37. So I was wondering if you can just meddle with till at least 43 or 45.
I'm around on page almost 50.
Yeah, I know. You see, some of you completed almost 51. Not everyone did. Okay. I'm really expecting from 37 to 45. If you can complete, I would be happy. David, thanks. David, did you understand?
Understand what? The ratio.
For the homework, what you need to do, you understood?
Yeah, I understood it.
Super.
Can I go get one?
Yeah, can I share the test with you guys? If you start now, you'll take another 1 hour for the test, guys.
oh,
If you don't know, yeah.
so 1 hour?
Yeah, easily 1 hour.
Are you posting it in the chat, like the link or something?
Yes, ma. Can I give you? Meaning, I honestly put a lot of time in framing your test in particular because this group, I was thinking you're going to write CD exam and I want you to be ahead all this stuff. Let's see. I'm expecting a 50 to 60% in the class. You see what I mean? Huh? We will review whatever you don't know. Click on the link.
Okay.
My screen might turn off while I'm taking the test.
That's okay.
Same. All right.
Are you able to access each of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Priya?
So, yeah, ma, tell me.
Oh, for some reason, whenever I click,
Tell me, Viraj.
like, can you hear me?
Yeah, very much.
So, whenever I like click on the place where I type my answer, it doesn't do anything. It just like,
Call your mom
okay,
or share your screen. I will help you.
okay, one sec. So basically, like, I'm clicking on like the place to type and it's not doing anything. It has like this. It doesn't do anything. Basically.
Can you go to a different browser?
Like
Can
what?
you put, can you go to a different browser?
Like go to Microsoft.
Yeah, Edge.
Oh, okay. But whenever like I click on the link, it just takes me to Google. So like, should I copy the link and? eh,
You have some problem locally, ma. Control A. Control A.
Control
Type
A.
Control A. No. Keep it in the address bar. Put
No.
Control A. Control C.
Yeah, I know. Control C and then
Open another tab.
like open Microsoft Edge.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Control V. No. Go to the address bar. Put Control V. Go to the address bar. Put Control V.
Control.
Enter.
Fine.
Sign in. Yes.
Okay.
Hey, can I
Huh?
put my video off, guys, today?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Also, Miss Priya, for the ones that are fractions, do I have to put like simplified answers?
Yes, ma. Always.
Here's my take. In the first question, you know how it says like write the simplest form for like there are these like four like fractions. So
Correct.
like
A,
you
B.
want to start like A equals then the number.
Correct.
Okay.
Appa, you have 84 degrees outside. That's nice. Viraj, you might want to stop the sharing because we're all seeing what you're doing. You don't want us to see, right?
Yeah.
Amma, if you don't know, it's really okay. I will go over that topic.
I got a question.
Yeah, go ahead, David.
Like it says like enter your answer. And then the question says express the value of each of the following in the simplest form. Like how do we like write down the answer?
In that small text box, you want to share screen?
How do I do that? Do I just
You can share screen. I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is your question? Express the value of each of the following in its simplest form.
Yeah, I got A done, but like how do you like write it down? Do you just answer like all of them?
Yeah,
Mama.
come down. I'll tell you, come down. Come down. Oh, that one. Okay, go to that your answer.
A?
Go to that your answer. David, go to that your answer. Put your cursor there. Now put A. Whatever is your answer, type it in. Yeah.
Okay.
Find your answer, type it in. B. Find your answer, type it in. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions you have?
No. Thank you.
Okay, no worries.
A space?
Yeah, see, however you answer, I'll correct it. Not a problem. I will not penalize you for you not putting a space there. I will be careful.
Wait, so you're grading it not the Google Classroom?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
you are liking it. But honestly, the questions are challenging. Okay. Would be nice if I see 50 to 60% from the entire class. Let's see. Otherwise, I plan to go over those topics.
My thing is working on Google on
Great. Okay. I see that dad helped. Good job. I'm happy.
Thank you.
Because if I don't make you start now, you will never finish the test. You'll keep on postponing. It's going to take an hour. Please do to whatever you know. Pratika, I wanted to talk to you. Can I take you to the breakout room, Pratika?
Yes.
Yeah. You just join there. Let's talk and come back.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yeah, Ma, go ahead.
See the like on the first question, like the fourth one, 3/8 of 20.
You want to share screen?
Yeah, no, but my answers are on there.
Okay. Tell me. I can share my screen.
Okay, so on the first question in the problem D, 3/8 by 20 of 20.
1 minute, Ma, please. I'm not there on the test. First question, problem D. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, of means multiplication.
Oh,
What is
yeah,
3/8 of 20? You remember we discussed that of. The word of implies you multiply them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now I know.
Can I shift you to breakout rooms, guys? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.